Hear me out. They don't talk about Haitian food that often, but you see that flavor in Haitian food, it's unmatched. If you're interested in this Haitian fried chicken, let's make it together, guys.
Alright, so we have a whole chicken. So I'm gonna try to cut it up for you guys. If me can. I'm grateful to see. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I cut the chicken in half. Alright, so I'm gonna slit it. A lot of breast. Alright, so so cut the chicken in half. Alright. Then we're gonna cut off the leg and the thigh. So lift the leg. Leg and the thigh. Alright. Alright, the back lip on it. I wonder if we forgot off the back. And then we have the breast and the wing. I go separate it. I fry the leg and thigh together, but I go separate.
Alright, so after we finish cut it up, we're going to clean it, wash it with lime, salt, and vinegar, and then we come back to season.
Alright, so we're going with 1 spoon of green seasoning. We're going with a pack of Goya Sazón. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Hold on, I'm gonna use them, yeah? Paprika. Got a little complete seasoning. Put this. Alright, so you want to go up under the skin. Just leave this marinate. Now we're going to take these and add to the pot. So we're going to add the chicken. Alright, we're going to add some chicken stock to the bowl. 1 cup. Rinse that. then add it to the pot. Add a pepper with some clove to the pot. You cover it and make it sit up and do its thing. Medium low heat. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off this now. I pour off the water and allow it for cool. Alright, so I have some usual when they fry green plantain, soup, and fried dumpling in the mega. Use some of that oil here. And then I'm going to top it off with some fresh oil. I'm going to savor the oil and I'm going to if it clean. Now this is the very most important part. You want to flash fry the chicken. You want to only drop the chicken and leave it in the oil for about 2 minutes. When you're taking it out, you're gonna seem uncertain, but I promise you, take it out and let it rest, because if you fry too long, it's gonna be dry and you won't enjoy it. So that is the most important tip I'm giving to you guys. Flash fry the chicken. Don't fry it too long, or else it's gonna be dry and you're not going to enjoy it.
And guys, do remember, if you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment and share this video. And I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.